I got your heat gas furnace here. That little pipe where it goes out the hole up there. waa qiiqa meesha ka baxo banaanka waa saqafka ama maxaa la dhihi jiray barmiilka oo kor duleelka ka baxo qiiqa iyo uunka iyo qiiqa iyo smoke iyo waxa rabtid ku af Soomaali I don't care. Yeah, man. That's a little thermal. That's the gas solenoid pump. That's the low temperature, tells you when to kick on the gas. The big fan motor is there, fan blower, Vanquiwakas or blow grainer. What? Yeah, this guy is good to go. We're gonna bring back 578. They have the seals, the pinking seals, so they're coming probably soon tonight. What time you leave usually? Never know. Anytime place get empty and leave, huh? So yeah, the guy come. I told him they're gonna be a night shift delivery, and I say okay, but we never know what time they come. If the gate's open, I'll tell him just leave outside the gate, so that'll be fine. So these. So after that the heat waxay la saaraya korkaas roofka xagga so meesha oo dhan garashka iyo kulaynayo. So installation is not hard. 4 of these oo baahan tahay 4 kuwan ah oo korkaas ku dhigsid 3 xanaasana sometimes 3 oo ku xiran kartaa, but this is very big, huge, giant. Toolbox ki asiga waa isla egin waa very aad u kulaynaya garashka oo dhan. So hala waa meesha oo vehicle-da lagu sameeyo taraagyada basaska gaariyaha. So that's one reason this guy meeshaas lagu dhijinayo markii qabowha imaado oo very cold, freezing outside, then that heat meesha oo dhan ayuu kulaynaya. So it's gonna be enough hot there. One pipe is there for orphans, the other one. This is the roof that can put other rope so getting measure. So that's it about that scene. Bus ayaa gadaal u soconayo, so kayligiisi pipi. Well, it's all about Sufi Blaze home. The little diagnostic computer نستعمله وكنا. Trust it, Sufi is there. Let me write you down that name. That you can recognize every time. That says Sufi Tech. Absolutely. You can Google, go eBay. This is the last technology on نستعمله هدر. Snap-on Virgin, that will cost $10,000. It's not really cheap. And the little screen and my laptop for hooking for semi trucks, school buses. We got lots of school buses. I don't know if you can see outside. It's very hard to see. It's on semi trucks sitting outside. So that's all equipments we use here for that is BroLink Ultra with all softwares for trucks, school buses, semi trucks, light duty. I got the printer there, machine printer, and I got another Modus Solus computer there. So that is second computer that I use in here. That you can see it. All the keys down there. CDs, the softwares you need, lots more tools, scan tools, ohm meter, DMM, relay testers, all equipments that need to be tested. Arcosine. So this is for, I don't know, we'll be good at the so this is what this is Sufi auto repair vehicles, any vehicles in the world, designer and engineers and design. It's a lot of stuff on my own. If you want to see it this week, this is what I designed. I make a small heater for outside to run those beepers, do constructions on outside. Put the hand, turn it, whatever people come here and they say, can you design this, can you do this, can you help me this, and wax ii samayn karto, whatever you want it. So tech design by engineers. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Khair ayaan nii rajaynaa. Haddaa af Soomaaliga fahantiin good, haddaadan fahmin Ingiriisi good, haddaadan fahantiin fahmin labadaba aday ku jirtaa.